3:59 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northeast of Purcell, or 27 miles northeast of Greeley, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Hereford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio.
I just switched the channels there for a second because if I don't, it'll save it and then it will stop broadcasting it. So, trying to reset the inactivity timer.